Hey gamies, Jacob Austin is here, and today I am with my family. And we are at like some giant airport thingy, about to go on a private jet. Look at all these. It's really cool, guys. Hang on. Oh, wow. This is cool.
People that helped me to learn aviation, all right? And I can guarantee you both of these guys here have their own way of, I know I've heard Floyd's before, and his is pretty interesting. But I'm sure Matt has his way of how he got into aviation, but I'll just tell you my experience. I live near the airport in Baton Rouge. I grew up in Baton Rouge. Their airline in Severn. Shrewsbury exists across from Severn, across from Metairie Bank, going towards Jefferson Highway, and it runs all the way through to the levee on the other side. But anyway, I grew up in Shrewsbury, typical neighborhood, exposed to...
I'm not texting. I have a vlog.
I'll take a picture of you.
Really trying to fly then.
I think I just activated.
I just flew it. I tried. I like record a little bit. Yes. Hang on, guys. Danger, that's when my instincts.
You gonna get the fly a little bit. What? See you up here.
Too bad.
Get you now.
Well, you don't have to, if you want to. Once we get up here, I'll let you turn left.
We're on the runway, dude. Ready?
It's like for emergency. So how do your kids make it when they say it's hot?
Off a little bit once we get going.
They used to it, probably.
Oh, mine? Oh, yeah, they used to.
So y'all live in Baton Rouge?
We're in the air. did we experience?
Less than probably 1.5.
Oh wow.
How do you know about G's?
I used to want to fly all the time. Like,
You don't have
before I wanted to be like an astronaut.
Oh, wow. Yeah, not every flight has to have G's.
What's
Gravitational force. That is weird. That was fun, huh?
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
You just gotta pull your seatbelt wide. You're holding it. Now pull. There you go. And we are now back.
No, sit in the front with your mama. No, go.
Ah,
Sit in the front.
nah. See ya. And now we head to water as we experience like 1.5 G's. Wow. Anyway, that is it for this, guys. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, which you are watching, and I'll see you next time. Jacob Awesomeness out.